a retest could come down to this region because it is our next level of support. So let's see. All right, but no confirmation so far. Nothing so far. And as we said, gold didn't even end up closing in our box. Okay, so let gold do its thing. Let's take a look at these. Also, it's just you guys on Zoom today. I'm not on YouTube because, like I said, I'm not going to be staying for too long. Okay. Let's see. If we start to hold over here, alright, so this breaks support and we're pushing back down. Okay, but if this starts to hold over here, guys, it could look decent. Okay. So one-on-ones. Let's see if we want to hold that as demand, and maybe, just maybe, if we get the move back up. Right, let's try to catch that. Okay, I'm in on this. I'm in on this small position, nothing too big. Testing it out. Okay, testing it out. If I start to see some good rejection, I'll hop in real quick. Please watch out for your spreads, guys. My spreads right now are very good, actually. It's literally at 0.3 pips, and yeah, I'm basically able to snipe my entries because of that. Okay, so watch for your spreads. I'm in on this. What am I looking to get? Literally that fill. Okay. There you go. There you go. All right. I'm up by about 8 pips at this point. I'm gonna liquidate some. Okay, and I'm gonna leave the rest potentially still running. Awesome, guys. Okay, so let me tell you all what I just did on the rejection. I got in with a small position. When I started to see the break back into our box, I got in with 300 bucks a pip. I pulled out 5 pips for 250, so that gave me $1,250, and I am still running with 50 bucks per pip on this market, which is currently running by about 7 or 8 pips. Okay, how many of you guys caught that with me? I want to see it in the chat. Gold's attempting to. Good. You see, guys, 5 pips is all you need. Literally, I closed my bigger position out in exactly 5 pips. 1250 on 250 bucks a pip. 386.2 entry, 391.2 exit. 5 pips. Okay, and now I'm leaving the rest up to the gods with a break-even stop loss. Right. So if this wants to go up and hit, TP, if I'd make 25 times 56. My bad. 50 times 56. Okay. But we've got to see. Sorry, I just got that wrong. 18. I'd make 50 times 18. I was like, wait, something's off over there. Bank my bips on nasty. Got a runner moving. Awesome, man. You're with me. Let's do it. Okay, set it to break even, guys. If you guys are still in on Nasdaq and if y'all have left positions like I have, set it to break even. I currently have 50 bucks a pip and $1 a pip running in these markets. Okay. Okay, I'm set to BE as well. Again, up by 5 pips currently. I'll keep you guys updated on this. Let's see if gold wants to close in the next 5 seconds. I don't like, listen, just because I say I don't like it, it doesn't mean it's not going to happen. But I personally wouldn't be looking for buys on gold, okay? I got stopped out at break even, guys. On this, it hit my stop loss for some reason, but yeah, I'm out. Really don't know what's going on the past couple of weeks with my trading focus and my monthly actual bullish and trading. It does. JJ has been at it for quite a bit, just like yourself, Kyle. And we're super proud of you guys. here at Forex, Cash, myself. Um, Trust me, she knows about all of you guys on the one-on-ones because we talk about the sessions a lot and we talk trading a lot, and yeah, we're both extremely proud of you guys. There are a handful of you that have stuck around and have naturally already started seeing a lot of success in these markets, and it's just crazy to think that the trajectory of all of your trading careers is in such a freaking uptrend. It's insane. Okay, just really happy for you guys. I'm gonna. By the way, guys, I spoke to Millzone about it. I'm not on YouTube today, so it's just with you guys, so it's all good. But we're gonna have a separate role for the ones, the well, not the OGs, but the ones that have been on the one-on-ones and the ones that have become successfully funded. Um, we're gonna give you guys some extra perks, okay? Just because of the hard work you'll have put in, we'll have a separate chat room with just us, and it doesn't matter if it's 15 people, 20 people, but it's just sort of to get rid of everything else, all of the noise, and to talk some pure trading setups. Okay, so that's something that's in the works. All of y'all that are on the one-on-ones and have, look at that freaking move on gold. We're really starting to push. Okay, Wakefield, did anyone catch this region? I know we didn't close up there, but so close, and demand acted as demand. You know what I mean? Demand acted as demand. So because we had this nice box marked up here, they still acted up as a level where the buyers stepped into these markets. Okay. What are we looking for on Nasdaq? If the continuations want to come in, you're looking to break the 4H and push higher. Okay. Damn it! I wish my runner wouldn't have got stopped out, but it is what it is. I'm not complaining. Okay. We break this on the dirty. We're pushing up. Most likely going to try and attempt that region where some serious supply is going to come in as well. But if we break past that, we're pushing up to the daily. All right, so the 880 area. Watch out, you guys. These moves are currently freaking running. Did you guys put up success stories for Cash? She's traveling and she still did the stream for you guys, and I don't even know how. Put it up, okay? She didn't have to do it for you guys today, but because it was on the schedule and she's out of town, she still ended up doing the stream from her laptop. Kudos to that woman. I probably wouldn't have, but yeah, that's the love that CashFX has for this community. Also, you guys are freaking lazy. Someone on the general chat yesterday, they asked for a review about for the one-on-ones, and Millzone even tagged verified, and I barely had 3 or 4 people that spoke about it. You guys are being lazy. Alright, go ahead on the general chat. We all know how the one-on-ones go. We literally share an individual relationship with each and every one of y'all. If someone asks for it, put on an honest review. Okay, I'm not telling you guys to sugarcoat anything, but help grow what we do here. Okay? I barely had 3 or 4 people. Cash and I were like, damn it, we were expecting so many more replies. You guys are freaking lazy, alright? I was disappointed with the number of responses. There you go. We have 170 people on the sessions and we had 3 people that replied, and I know how much value you guys on the one-on-ones get because you all tell me that literally every session. Don't be lazy, alright? If someone new asks for something, support the community. Not by speaking crap, but literally by speaking the truth, okay? Your opinion matters. Okay. Alright, so news, positive. Let's see if they want to hit supply. Okay, gold pushing higher. Next level we're gonna try and go to is gonna be the 500. I'm not in on anything. I'm literally done for the day, you guys. If y'all are in on this, Okay, is anyone in on anything? W gold, W gold, US3, Nasdaq. Okay. Cool. I have literally liquidated everything. It would have been nice if my runner was still in the market, but it's all good. Okay, I was on a different account today, and literally 5 pips gave me my profit target for the day, so I'm not complaining. I found the safest entry based off of the opportunity in front of us, and I capitalized, and that's that. I'm done trading for the day. Nasdaq up 27 pips. Congratulations. Um, take your profits, man. I want you guys to think about this, okay? If I would have acted fast enough, which I didn't, I'm only human, and if I was able to actually set my stop loss down to this zone of demand, okay, I would have been running by $50 times 34 pips. Do the math, okay? And this would have been my runner, okay? It's super important to be taking out your partials, guys. And seriously, one-on-ones, I want you guys to go ahead and reply on that general chat, okay? It's gonna piss me off if you guys don't. I know a couple of you are on this call. Okay, goes pushing. It's awfully quiet. Are you guys trading? Are you all done trading? I see people leaving the stream as well. I guess people made their money and are walking away. Done now, 0.5%. Awesome. What is the current wait time for someone to go to one-on-one? Resume my pick today. One sec, let me check it out. We opened up 2 slots yesterday, out of which 1 got taken. We still have 1 to go. But if someone books today, the date you're going to be able to hop on is, wow, I'm blessed to have this life, you guys. 2nd of November 2023. That's the next available slot, but I do have 1 more slot for a 5-session package, and if someone, I don't know what cash book, let me check it out. Mm, 12th of September. And that's the slot that we have left, which we opened up for 2 new intakes. What is the duration of the course? What do you mean, buddy? It really depends. I mean, with the one-on-ones, it's no magic trick. It's no magic spell, right? We just we guide you guys to get onto the right path. And Cash and I, we've built a curriculum that's extremely basic, but very, very, very valuable. Because truth is, we don't do the complex trading jargon. We really don't do any of that. We don't use fancy indicators. We just use raw price action, and On the sessions, we give you guys just the information that you all need, nothing more, nothing less. I've literally successfully taught a 14-year-old to trade um, with his dad's name on a prop firm account. Like, it's that simple. It can be picked up. So point is, it's not like someone hops onto the sessions and they're magically going to become profitable. No, but we give you guys everything at face value, and we teach you things step by step and customize the sessions based off of your current understanding. I have people that have taken one session, 5 session. Believe it or not, I have someone that's booked 25 sessions with me, spread all throughout this year and the first half of next year. So everyone's trading journey is different, you know. Everyone has a different type of understanding, so there's no way to give it a fixed sort of duration, if that makes sense. Okay, retest. How many suggestions do you suggest to start with? I can't comment on that, buddy. Everyone has a different financial background, and it's up to you. Okay, it's completely up to you. It also depends on your level, right? If you're a beginner, it only makes sense to start with a 5. If you think of yourself as more of an advanced trader, maybe one session would do it. That's correct. Suf MJ. That's correct. We don't give you anything extra. It's just our style of trading is the simplest, guys. What do we trade? We literally trade support, resistance, supply, demand, break of structure. And when I say break of structure, I don't just mean the continuations. We also do retracement trading, but we trade based off of structure. That's all we do. And again, I tell this to the people on the mentorship program as well. What we sell you guys is not a strategy, because there is no strategy. You know, we just, like I said, decipher the language of these candles, and we use risk management to go hand in hand with that. So we're just price action traders that are trading based off of historical data of these candles on these charts. So there's no strategy, it's more a system, right? So now this system can be molded to your advantage, because the first thing that you guys need to do is identify your style of trading. You know, we're all different types of traders. We all have, just like our thumbprint, our biometrics are unique. Similarly, our trading styles are unique as well. We could literally sit face to face and hit buy or hit sell at the same time, and our setups still, our entries still won't match up. You know, it's unique to everyone. The emotions kick in, the psychological aspect kicks in. It's a lot to deal with, right? But with practice, with patience, with determination, and by putting in the work, everything's possible. Good morning, Cram Legend. What's up? Alts 404. 0.5 for the day. Thanks, Cram. Lowered wrist 0.5. Man of peace. See you tomorrow for lunch. Cheers, JJ. Take it easy, my man. It's like surfing, identifying a good wave, ride it and hop off, rinse and repeat. Well said, Alpha D-Chan. Okay, so we're still respecting that, guys. Straight up. Okay, so could we break that? Maybe not. Eventually we do, but it looks good. Okay, I do feel like this could start to go back bullish, but maybe after we have a couple of retracements, you know, the trampoline effect. I keep talking about this, right? We need price to dip back down. We need price to be at a more discounted rate in order for the buyers to step in and actually fill those orders, right? It's too expensive right now, and 34,882 is too expensive, you know. So we need to pick up some more buyers, attempt to penetrate through that daily, and if we do and close above, get a nice little retest, make sure it's not a fake out, and boom, make some money. Gold, please. Gold's good. Gold's good, okay? But again, you all know me, I'm not going to be buying the top of the mountain, alright? Just not my style of trading. One-on-ones, are we seeing anything over here potentially? Kyle JJ 0. Where you guys at? There you go, Kyle, my man, Emily, Apex. There you go. You guys are right. Okay. Let's see how we want to break past that. We've got a nice little level of support that's being formed over here. Okay, this is for you guys, alright? I want a quick scalp in. Here's a quick scalp in. Okay. Naturally, break with that. Wake fill. 13 pip move. Break with that. Push to the downside. Catch that back down to demand. Okay. Sorry, I'm responding to general chat. Awesome. Good. Go ahead. All of you guys, one-on-ones. Show us some love. I decided to stop trading gold. Nasdaq and Dow Jones will not feel it for my mental comfort. Agreed, Emily. A lot of new traders share a love-hate relationship with gold. I, to this date, sometimes look at gold and I'm just like, screw that. You know, I don't want that drama. I'm gonna look at something else, right? It's almost like when you see gold, you can just say. But today was good. You know, today was good. Healthy moves, healthy retracements, not too many wicks, and good volume. Okay, but gold, it truly has. I used to say this early on the streams, but it's like gold is that seductress. You know, it really knows how to pull traders into traps. Okay, I'm gonna stay on for another 2-3 minutes, guys, and I am going to get out. Okay, gonna watch the 15-minute momentum kick in the next 2 minutes, and I'm gonna call it. It's crazy to think about it, guys. 5 pips, and listen, these sort of sessions are for you guys. Just letting you guys know, I would have never been as aggressive with my risk management as I was today on YouTube. All right, this is the perks that you guys get as private members. I'm raw with you guys. I will always be transparent, and I will always tell you all what I'm doing on a daily basis when it comes to these markets. You know, it is what it is. But I wouldn't be advertising this to YouTube, you know, because they don't get it, and there are lots of skeptics out there. All it takes is one session for them to actually see what we do is legit, you know. Shelby Susie B2. Awesome. Okay. A minute to go. Is anyone still in any sort of trades, guys? Where could the sells come in for this? Let's try to break that region. Okay. This could have been this. Listen, this is a good sell area, no problem. But if you want to avoid a potential fake out, look to break that. Okay, and then maybe you could start to push down, go zone to zone, take your pips, be happy. That's if you haven't made your pips already. Okay. If they start to break that 4-hour resistance, you'll know it. They're pushing back up. Okay. And if they want to come down, this is the region you're going to be looking at. Again, zone to zone. Zone 1, we break past that. Zone 2, we break past that. Zone 3. Okay, gold still building into a nice little apex. Alright, for the ones thinking how. There. And there. Okay. Waiting for gold to retest? What are you waiting for gold to retest, buddy? Let's have some trade recaps. Cash, if you're on the session, please take it down, babe. So we had the gold buys, excuse me, that played out 56 pips. nice and juicy. We had the dirty buys played out for 41 pips, and all of this is pre-market open. That's crazy. And we had the nasty buys play out for 37 pips. Solid day. Solid day for 30 minutes of work. I love it. Okay, do we have any questions? Do we have any questions at all, you guys? You're doing so great, man. So many blessings from me and my family. Thank you so much, Vishus. Thank you so much. We're always here for you guys. That message genuinely made my evening. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Harsh Patel, good evening, buddy. Catch you tomorrow, brother. Do we trade currency pairs? We do, but too slow for me, to be honest. Which is Cash does a better job at those with London. I'm a more fast-paced trader, and I feel like most people on these streams, they like trading the indices and gold. So that's why I don't. But if you're asking in general, yes, we do trade the currency pairs as well. Okay, guys. Possibilities. Gold, again, you all know it. If it breaks those highs, we're naturally going to try and create a higher high. Okay. Sells. These are your cleaner sells, but my one-on-ones, if you guys want to be scalping this, boom, down here, break, sell into demand. Okay. These are pretty decent moves. Capitalize. Okay. Oof, look at that. We do have momentum to push up, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, I didn't take a look at the Scalper Pro, but layer. Okay, so the ones that have done session 3 or session 4 with me, start layering your positions based off of the spend. We've spoken about it. Okay. Great. Look at that. US 30 comes right back down. Could be entering our potential sell zone. Guys, this looks good too. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, if we happen to break out of here, capitalize, no problem. Okay. And same story over here. You want price to close, you want price to retest, you want price to reject, and you want price to push. Okay. All in all, this to me is starting to look like a big ass freaking head and shoulders. Okay, but again, it depends on how we hold at this area, because if we don't hold over here, we basically just created a big double bottom, and it's the retest and the rejection of the double bottom. Okay. A lot of you guys on my one-on-ones, as of right now, you must be thinking, why did Cram leave out this zone, right? I put the box over here. Why didn't I put the box over here? And I'm going to close the session with this information for you guys. We're basically coming into some bias over here, guys. Okay, at this point, it acted up as supply, right? So we had price respect this area as a region for sellers or supply, and then we push back down. Okay, and then the buyers push back up. We then broke that supply, and we've now successfully made it demand. Okay, so if price closes in this region and I had a box somewhere here, that would give you guys a false entry into a potential fake out. Okay, so that's the reason that I left this box, because this is a nice little region of supply and demand, as you can see, as we extend all the way to the back. Okay, awesome, you guys. Listen, go ahead and post up on success stories. Okay, we do these streams for you all every single day, and believe it or not, it's extremely exhausting. I've practically been working every single day from the past 1 year, weekends included, and I mean, I could be just concentrating on my own trading, and I don't really have to do this, but we're building a community. We're trying to build a community, and I really need you guys to know, when we've been doing this for a year, and there's no monetary sort of monetary perks that we get off of forex trading. Literally, it's been a free service, and we've all been working on it full time. That's the way it is with startups. But we've been really putting in the work for y'all. Okay, it's really stupid, but the only thing that we ask for are some success stories and some Twitter posts or X posts, whatever it is, in return. Okay, I don't think anyone of you guys, even the OG guys, have in a while posted up on Twitter for us. Okay, go ahead and tag us. Okay, put on a post, share a setup, tell people that this is what I made today from a free session. You know, it's crazy to see the amount of money that people are making, and it's even crazier to see that a lot of these people take us for granted. Okay, and it can be a little demotivating sometimes, I'm not gonna lie, especially if you do it as often as we have been. But yeah, we keep the bigger picture in mind. We look at how we're going to be in the next couple of months, and we keep aiming towards building our army of millionaires. Okay, because when we get there, with our community, we're not looking for a freaking 100,000 people on our server. No, we're looking for 100 people on our server, an exclusive server where people are not there lurking around, where people are there seriously making money with us, feeding their families, and just making a name and a mark for themselves in this world. Okay, trust me when I say this. I always have said this, and I'm going to say it today as well. We want quality over quantity. Okay, 100 real traders is all we need, and forex is going to be everywhere. I promise you guys that. Okay, thank you all so much. I really appreciate y'all. I hope you all had a great session. Make sure to go ahead and post up on success stories. And again, there's one slot to go. So if you guys, and again, whoever books this, you'll have session 1 next month. Okay, if y'all want to get that done, now's the time. If y'all don't, the free streams are still here. Okay, thank you guys so much. I will see y'all for New York tomorrow. Friday is going to be a pretty sick day. Let's keep that in mind. You don't need to be over leveraging through this week, okay? Because trust me when I say this, tomorrow and day after, the markets are going to be choppy, all in anticipation for news. Now, when I say choppy, I don't mean the moves won't come. The moves will come, but they will also be erratic, okay? So let's keep that in mind. Under leverage your account this week, and there's always a next week to make some more pips. All right, thank you guys. I'm Kram, my partner's Cash and Millzone, and this is Forex Trading. Signing out, you guys have a good one.